I really love this heat protector from ArtNaturals. I love that this company is in the US, that these are cruelty-free products, and they have never let me down on the quality of their products. Everything I have used from ArtNaturals has always been fantastic. And what's really great about this heat protector is it has argan oil, sage oil, green tea, and vitamin B5 in it. So it's really designed to take care of your hair while protecting it. Now it has this nice spray nozzle at the top. You can lock it by twisting this little plastic piece and then it won't go, and then open it by sliding it that way. So you can travel with this. And if you spray it directly on your hand, you will see that it has some thickness to it, but once you put it in your hair, it really does just go in very cleanly. I'm not sure exactly what the smell is, but it reminds me of roses. It's just really inviting. And while it's meant for hair, not hands, it is surprisingly going right into my hands. It is a very moisturizing, lovely, lovely product that you can feel good about putting on your hair and getting it anywhere else as well. And with that, I am confident that this isn't drying my hair out. It is, in fact, helping hydrate it while protected, which is exactly what I want, and I have really enjoyed this product. So if you're looking for a heat protector that not only protects, but also moisturizes and adds some shine, ArtNaturals Argan Oil Thermal Shield is a fantastic option.